Infosys hits record high. Market capitalization tops $100 billion. With such a news in the market, and I won't trade in Infosys, how can it be possible? Hello everyone, my name is Salman Sheikh and you're watching my YouTube channel Scapital Investments. Salman Sheikh. Scapital Investments is the name of my private limited company and I mainly focus on risk defined option selling. Today in this post market report, I will share with you my analysis on Nifty and Bank Nifty, and also we will be discussing our stock in focus, that is Infosys, and how I took my options trade in Infosys. So please do watch the video till the end. If you are a regular visitor of my channel, please subscribe, and if you enjoyed watching the video, please do hit the like button, share it with your friends, and if you're interested in option selling and options trading, I have mentioned many other video links in the description below where I have taken other stocks as well like Sun Pharma, HCL Tech, Wipro, M&M, L&T. So you can check out all those stocks in my options trading playlist mentioned in the description below. So let's start with Nifty, and before talking about Nifty, we always check SGX Nifty. SGX Nifty we will check 1 hour chart. So here we can see in the morning at 6:10 it started rising. It came down at around 8:10 and it started falling. So we thought that the rise is arrested, but at the later end at 10 p.m. around it started rising again. So this was a pretty good and decent market, a regular bull market kind of a journey, and that's been happening from the past trend as well in SGX Nifty. Although there was a lot of fall in Hong Kong and as well as those Chinese markets, and if those markets fall, then SGX Nifty falls because it's a little bit of average of those markets. Now let's talk about Nifty. As same as SGX Nifty, what did Nifty do? It went up, came down, and then it rise again. What happens usually in the morning? Nifty takes cue from SGX Nifty, but at a later end, when Nifty is traded heavily because Nifty has the highest volume and Nifty is traded heavily, then SGX Nifty takes cue from Nifty, and at the later end again SGX Nifty follows the global trends and the global cues. So there's nothing much to talk about Nifty, but as per our last update, there was quite a bit of a straddle and congestion at 16,500. We'll just check the option chain of Nifty. Here is the 26th August option chain and we are setting on 24th August. So there is only 2 days left for expiry. In the straddle of 16,500, we could see that the put sellers won and the market has been propelled forward. Here we saw that 16,700 and above is a good resistance because put writing is not done so much. So here it is 46 lakhs OI in call option of 16,700, whereas 16,700 put is only 12 lakhs OI, whereas at 16,600 it's again kind of a straddle situation. So markets falling down to again 16,500 or 400 is a rare scenario, but even if it falls down in intraday, there may be a strong put selling pressure which will drive the market upwards. Let's check the positions of 2nd September. So we can see the 2nd September as well, 16,500 has been sold in heavily, but the OI is only 10 lakhs and this is 5 lakhs. So this is double, but at the same time the positions have not been taken completely, so anything can happen here. Just check the September again, it's 16,500 straddle kind of situation. Let's check October, and October again it is 16,500 straddle. So that's it about Nifty. So we can expect a mildly bullish kind of a momentum, not too bullish, mildly bullish. So 16,500 to 17,000 would be a good range for Nifty for coming month. Now let's see the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty has been sticking around 35,000 for quite some long time, and this you can see is a very good figure, a 35,000 figure. So by long term, I'll just check monthly, and as we can see in the monthly, so this is the corona fall, and afterwards this is the Bank Nifty channel that has been falling for a long time. Nifty's channel has been broken and it is for going upward. There is a new channel, but Bank Nifty is still in the same channel, and you can see that for monthly in August also the lower end is still 31,469. You can see still in the same channel, and this is mostly a consolidation kind of a channel, and here it is still consolidating. So from long time it is sitting around 35,000, 36,000, and these ranges. It is for long time it has been sitting around 35 and 36,000. As you can see, yesterday Bank Nifty had fell down and then it got arrested from 500 point falls. It went up, and today, right from the start, the momentum continued in the Bank Nifty stocks. We can see the financial sector seems to be strong, although the bad news of HDFC Bank and everything have been old news. Bank Nifty option chain analysis. Here we can see it is the 28th October expiry, and 35,000 seems to be already a strong put writing being done over here with 1.3 lakhs open interest. This 35,000 is supported by the graph, the chart. Here you can see that 35,000 is very strong, and the market has been sticking around this level. That is why people have been started selling put options in even in October at 35, because this is short money. Let's check September. In September also you can see 35,000 is very strong support, but a strong resistance at 37,000. Let's move to 26th August. So here we can see 35,500 has a strong support. So it may not go down below 35,500, but at the same time 36,000 seems to be a strong resistance. The range of 35,500 to 36,000 is confirmed again using 2nd September expiry. Here's the 1.9 lakhs OI, and the resistance of 2.7. Here is again a 2.6 lakhs OI. So there is a broad range with a straddle creating at 35,500, and 35,000 to 36,000 seems to be a broad range. Well, that's it about the index. So let's quickly move on to Infosys. Now, before going to the Infosys chart, in case you haven't checked out my previous Infosys deployment strategy, I would request you to click the eye icon over here in the top right corner, and please do visit my previous Infosys trades deployment. So today also I have taken a trade on Infosys, and I will explain you the logic. So first and foremost, the logic is Infosys hit the record high. Definitely the market capitalization has crossed $100 billion. It is also one of my focus stocks. When this news came out around 11-12, Infosys was trading here, and it's already started falling. So some people are booking the profits over here. Maybe they want to do some portfolio rejig or some portfolio management, but I take long-term bets, and for me it was a good trade. Now let's check the technicals. The technicals and the price action and trend analysis, whatever you can say, because fundamentally it is definitely strong company, and that is the reason why it has gone into a 100 billion category. Here we can see earnings estimate, it's always beating the estimates, so there is nothing to check in fundamentally. I only choose fundamentally strong stocks. Here this is the March 2020 fall, and after that this is the support line which has been respected multiple times. Now let me go on to the weekly time frame. Now I already have a September expiry put option. September expiry put option is sold in a very bullish way, which may go in the money, but at the same time I am still bullish on this, so I have sold an October expiry. And here from this trend line I can see 1630 seems to be a strong support for Infosys in October expiry, and that is why the liquid option was 1600, which was trading at a good price, hence I sold this put option. You can check my orders here. It is 20 at a price of 20. I sold this October Infi 1600 put option, and I bought this hedge of 1500 PE 3.9. So this is to reduce the margin. It will be going to 0. So in fact I am trading for 16 rupees. So 16 into 6 is 9,600 rupees. That is the premium I expect to take from here. Now mind you, this 9,600 premium is coming at a margin of 69,000 rupees, which translates to 13% interest. So September, October, for 2 months 13% interest is a very good interest, and in Infosys it is very nice. So 5%, beyond 5% interest if you're getting per month, so that translates into 5 into 12 is equal to 60%. So 66% is one of the best option seller in the world, who is the Jim Soros, and I'm getting 60%, and I'm not as skilled as Jim Soros or having the analytical capabilities that he has with the medallion fund, but even then I'm able to put this trade, so that is fine by me. These are the orders, and now let's check the graph if I could have sold this at any better price today. Let's check the 1 hour chart. So this is October Infi October put option, and you can see it hit a peak of around a high of around 23.65. So lucky people sold it at 23.65. After coming down for this hour, it rose up again, and then there was another opportunity and it hit a high of 22.40, and then it started tumbling down, and then it closed at 19, and I could sell it at 20. So here is my day end infy positions. The put option which I bought, that is also positive, and the put option which I sold, that is also closing in positive. That is because infy fell down. Now there are several other positions. In case you want to know what I did with other positions, how I manage my positions, do write in the comments below. I will share the updates on that, because you can see there are several orders, but I cannot explain the logic or no the why I put these orders, why I cancel this orders or anything like that, because this video will become too long. And if you have seen my previous videos, you would know that this was around minus 34 or minus 37,000, and today itself it has come to plus 1,000. So this is the power of options trading, this is the power of option selling. And do hit the like button in case you liked my video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notifications. So just for the record, I will show you live recording of the trade deployment. If you have any doubts, queries or questions, please do mention in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Happy trading. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.